Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we will learn how to solve the practice problem Ishaan loves chocolate. So let's understand the question. Basically, there is a chocolate bar and Ishaan loves chocolate, okay? This bar is divided into squares, okay? Basically, every square has a number and the number denotes the tastiness of the square, okay? Like basically, the last square is the most tasty piece of the chocolate, okay? So the last piece of the chocolate, the last square is the most tastiest one. Now basically Ishaan loves chocolate, so his sister as well loves the chocolates. Now basically the problem is that Ishaan is a little bit greedy. So what happens is he tries to eat the the tastiest ones. And he wants to leave the least tasty one for his sister. So basically what he does is he eats all the tasty ones himself and then leaves the last piece for his sister. Now, basically, what we need to do is we need to check that what piece is given to the system. So, what we can do is basically Ishaan eats the tasty pieces, right? So, basically, if I sort this array, okay, array dot sort. Now, basically, it would be sorted into 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that, right? Now, basically, 1 means the least tasty and 10 would mean the most tasty, right? So, basically, he gives the least tasty piece to his sister, right? So what I can do is I can just return with the array position 0. That means the first value. Why? Because the first value determines the least tasty one, right? So that is what we have to do. Basically, I would sort the array, then give position 0 to the sister. That means the position, the value at the 0th index position is the one that is being given to the sister because that is the least tasty piece in the chocolate. I hope the concept is clear to you. Now let's solve the question. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose basic. After choosing basic, you need to find the problem. Ishaan loves chocolate. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Okay. Now let's solve the problem. Here it is. Let's read it first. As we know, Ishaan has a love for chocolate. He has brought a huge chocolate bar that contains n chocolate squares. Each of the squares has a tastiness level which is denoted by an array. Okay. Ishaan can eat the first or the last square of the chocolate at 1. Ishaan has a sister who loves chocolates too and she demands the last chocolate square. Now Ishaan, being greedy, eats the most tasty square first. Determine the tastiness level of the square which his sister gets. That is what I just described you in the description. Now we would code the question over here. Okay, so let's solve it. It's a very easy question. Let's do it. So array dot sort, circular brackets, enter, and I just need to return with the position 0. Now I need to check if it is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. So compilation is completed. My output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Okay, 1 minute. Let's see. Problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem Ishaan loves chocolate. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and thank you for joining me. Thank you.